In accordance with the September 2007 administrative reform program by the Angolan government, and with the aim to meet the needs of each citizen user and their integration into society, SIAC, the Integrated Citizen Customer Services Center, was created, with the mission of consolidating within a single location a number of diverse customer services, provide assistance based on simplification of procedures, service quality, and bridge the gap between state offices and its citizens. From an economic point of view, it has brought the unique benefit of economy of scale to the user, as within the same location, the user has the opportunity to deal with various issues with efficiency, thus saving time and money. SIAC consists of 3 units, namely PSU, BSU, and LIU. PSU, Public Services Unit, provides a set of 190 public services from different administration bodies, especially those that directly affect the daily life of the citizen. BSU, Business Services Unit. Both public and private companies of general interest to the citizen are on found location. As well as the national press, other services companies are available, such as water, energy, banking, communication, insurance, and the TAAG travel agency. In some units, there are support services, such as a cafe snack bar and a stationery shop. LIU, Labor Intermediation Unit or Employment Services. At LIU, Labor Intermediation Unit, which is an integral part of the nominal registration of workers, RENT, the job market is managed online in the areas of demand, supply, placement, and the various job opportunities offered on the market with continuous updating of data. Currently, SIAC has 14 units in 10 of the 18 provinces of our country, and in the period from 2012 to 2018, 5 units were opened in 4 provinces, representing 38% of the total units installed. SIAC's commitments include ethical positioning and conduct, in addition to the continuous rigor of day-to-day work-based accomplishments with extraordinary results. To this end, strict management processes and procedures are applied in order to ensure that SIAC asserts itself as a brand in guaranteeing quality, meeting deadlines, execution rigor, efficiency and productivity, as well as providing a good working environment. One of the main aspects for the scope of ISO 9001-2008 certification on the provision of integrated services for citizens by public and private bodies is related to the measurement of the satisfaction index for SIAC's users, citizens, and customers. Indicators are also measured, such as the average service time and the average waiting time. In 2018, we started the appointment service system with the launch of online pre-scheduling. The service is already available at SIAC Teletona, Kazinga, Kakuaku, Zangu, and Kalawenda. With regards to the previous year, and this year counting as the first year of implementation of the system, there were 1,066 appointments scheduled, 743 users were assisted, 200 schedules cancelled, and 140 withdrawals. The overwhelming majority of users assisted recommend the service, and we can classify the user according to their degree of satisfaction with the services provided. Human resources have received exceptional attention in the management process. Today, the SIAC network employs 1,637 professionals, 43% of whom are men and 57% women, with a greater focus on public services and public and private business services. Quality human resources is not possible without training, development, and coaching. SIAC is focused on development of skills and individual and team potential, transforming them into high-performance teams, whose objective is to encourage and instill the spirit of commitment, dedication, and identity with the standards of excellence in public service, recognizing and rewarding the merit of performance. Thus, there is strong emphasis at SIAC on continuous updating and re-evaluation of technical knowledge, individual and team empowerment through responsibility and accountability, information and staff training, broader cultural training, and strategic improvement of the work environment. In the last 6 years, SIAC trained 3,453 professionals in 86 different topics in a total of 3,082 hours. For the construction of the 14 SIAC subunits, the state invested a total of 6,784,144,925.5 kwanzas. Since its opening in 2007, the following amounts have been paid into the treasury: 192,500,458,172 kwanzas have been collected from the SIAC network in the single account of the treasury, and 711,866,579,833 kwanzas in social security contributions. During the same period, SIAC served 25,689,412 users. In the 2017-2019 period, the following were issued: 336,148 identity cards, 105,760 criminal records checks, 131,209 driving licenses, 3,836 vehicle law cards, 93,624 children registered, 1,034 weddings celebrated, and 200,695 fiscal identification numbers (NIF). With stricter internal control on expenses through rationalization and greater profitability through pervasive productivity, the return on investment is guaranteed by serving the public. From 2012 to 2018, SIAC reinforced its management paradigm, of which sustainability is guaranteed by its own revenues of 99.41%, with the appropriation from the Treasury representing 0.59%. SIAC's information technology activity is supported by 4 pillars, namely Service Desk, IT Governance, Web, and Infrastructure. In summary, SIAC has in IT assets 20 systems in production, 47 physical servers, 165 virtual servers, 41 terabytes of storage, 780 computing resources, 26 wireless stations, 23 WAN connections, 66 LAN networks, 986 monitor services, central PABX, 84 web access points, and 335 VoIP phones. With a history and reputation based on competence and excellence in the provision of public services, SIAC traces its strategic lines with the ambition to expand in a sustainable manner the integrated user services, reinforce the internal capacity for continuous quality and efficiency improvement in the provision of public service to citizens and companies alike. With eyes on the future, SIAC foresees the opening of SIAC Marconi in Luanda and Luena, as well as the implementation of mobile service units for 2020. In September 2019, SIAC had the honor of being recognized and awarded by the International World Quality Commitment Convention in Spain, the Golden Award, for its commitment to quality, leadership, technology, and innovation in the continuous search for excellence. The event was attended by more than 50 institutions from different nominated countries. SIAC, the dignity of every citizen is our commitment.